Hey there, financial friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday money matters in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're tackling a common question. How do you find the routing number on a check? Especially in 2025, with all the digital banking trends, this little detail can make a big difference when setting up payments, direct deposits, or transfers. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more tips like this. First off, let's quickly cover what a routing number is. It's a 9-digit code that acts as your bank's unique identifier. Think of it as the address for your financial institution, used for electronic transactions. Now, if you have a physical check in hand, finding it is easier than you might think. Grab your check and flip it over, or wait, no, actually, you need the front. Look at the bottom of the check. That's where the magic happens. Step 1. Examine the series of numbers at the very bottom. These are printed in a special magnetic ink that machines can read, often called the MICR line. The first set of numbers you see is usually the routing number. It's always 9 digits long, so count them out to be sure. For example, it might start with a 0, 1, 2, or another digit depending on your bank. Step 2. Make sure you're not confusing it with the account number. The routing number comes first, followed by your account number, and then the check number. If you're still unsure, double-check with your bank's website or app. Many banks list your routing number there for quick reference. A quick tip for 2025. With the rise of mobile banking, some apps now let you scan your check or pull up your details instantly. But if you're dealing with an older check or paper records, stick to the bottom line method. One common mistake is mixing it up with the account number, which can lead to transaction errors, so always verify twice. There you have it. Finding your routing number is that straightforward. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If this video helped you out, drop a like, share it with a friend who needs this info, and remember to subscribe for more 2025 finance hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay savvy.